Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can stop screen recording in OPPO smartphone. So firstly, let me quickly start screen recording so I can as well show you how to stop it. So once the screen recording is live and well, you've recorded everything you wanted to, should it be some gameplay or tutorial like I'm doing right now, just tap at this little icon that you have and hit the check icon. And as you can see, the screen recording gets successfully finished or ended and gets saved to your gallery. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.